In this video, we'll be building a Lego VR arcade game. If you want to make an amazing Lego arcade for your minifigures to enjoy, then this video is for you. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you a secret Lego playlist that no one knows about yet. So let's start building. All right, so here's the first part of it. All right, so here's the next part of it that we're gonna put here. You're gonna use these plates like this. And there you have the front of the arcade. All right, here's the next section. Put the seats on right here. You're gonna attach it to the front, kind of like this. This video is sponsored by Brandon's Brick Lot, where we have the most affordable pieces and also the cheapest shipping. So if you want to grab some pieces, you go check that out. We will not rip you off ever because we love our customers. So if you want to make sure to go check Brandon's Brick Lot out, it'll be in the description below. Next, we got some pieces that we're kind of going to put up for our decorations. These are kind of some arches piece, just to add some more detail to the arcade, kind of like that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna build 2 sets of these. Next is we're gonna... If you find this video helpful or entertaining or anything or funny, maybe it made your day, then please leave a like. I would really appreciate it. For the last section of the build is the screen. So you're gonna put that kind of like this right here. Next, you're gonna take your other part that you've just made, you're gonna clip it on the back. All right, and there is your finished product. I'm gonna show you how it actually works. Here's the minifigure, guys, and we're gonna put it in the VR. You're gonna pull up this thing like that, sit him down in a chair, and we're gonna put the goggles down. Look at that, he has got it down. If you stayed to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. If you want just that secret playlist, click up here, and I will see you in the next video.